Hi guys, it's Amma back with another video today, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix your flat, boring, thin hairstyle. So for the purposes of this video, I have not used a hairdryer. So tip number one guys is to use a pre-styler, and a pre-styler is very important for creating the foundations and base of your hairstyle. So if you are wanting more texture in your hair, you can use a sea salt spray, or if you are wanting more volume in your hair, you can do what I do and use a thickening tonic. I have fine hair guys, so I use the Evader thickening tonic just because it's really good for boosting volume in your hair. Tip number two, guys, is to use a hairdryer. A hairdryer is very important for creating a foundation, for creating a base for your hairstyle. It helps to boost texture, it gives you volume, especially if you have fine hair like myself, it gives you more of a fuller look. And if you look at some of your favorite content creators, you'll see that they, in their hairstyle tutorials, 9 out of 10 times, they are using a hairdryer, and they also stress the importance of using a hairdryer and what that does for you in terms of your overall look. But if you aren't someone who uses a hairdryer, I would recommend you to start doing so. And finally, tip number three, use volumizing powder. Now, volumizing powder is perfect for volume, of course, but also gives you texture as well. I'm using Slick Gorilla volumizing powder, and I will show you how amazing volumizing powder is. I've not used a hairdryer on my hair. I've allowed it to air dry. Watch what happens as soon as I massage the product into my scalp. Instant volume and texture as well. I've also provided a side by side just to show how effective volumizing powder is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Take care.